Hey guys, welcome back to OJT Barage. If you're here with us for the first time, you know, look down there, and if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell notification so you can get a notification every time we upload a video. If you've been here before, hit that like button for us because that really helps us out. This morning we're on the way to go meet Mason up in Mass, about an hour drive. So I'm not looking direct at the camera because I gotta look at the road too. This morning he is doing, I think he said he was doing the top of one of his cars. But if you guys haven't seen Mason or met Mason before on my channel, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can hit that. And if you don't mind subscribing to his channel, because he does a lot of cool things. He's a newer YouTuber like myself. We met in person at Lock City. So he's also into drifting. He's building his drift car, trying to get it ready for the next season, just like I am. My G35 is coming along. I ordered some parts. I'm waiting on some parts still. What else is going on? Javon is working on his E36. His E36 is actually up and running though. He just put in some fine tuning and bash bars, and I don't know what else is going on. But that update will be coming up soon. What else is going on at OJT? That's about it really. I'm getting some new cabinets and stuff like that put up in the garage. And that's about it really what's going on. So we're gonna pause right here, and then by next time you see me, we should be with Mason. I got stuff and get some gas. So all right, see you in a few. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to Mason's garage. It's really bright out here, nice day outside. So I just pulled up to Mason's garage. We're gonna go in here, see what's up. He just got this garage, it's really nice. He's got his boys here with him too.
Yeah, I'll be back though. I'm leaving, but I'll be back.
Alright man. Alright man.
Show him the S14 though.
I will, I got you.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. What's up, Mason?
Hey man, what's going on? Happy to see you again, man. We're in the shop right now. I actually just pulled out my welder because we're gonna weld on my tubs, but I realized we have no gas left in the tank, so.
Oh, we can go run and get some if you want.
Yeah, I don't know if there's any shops open right now.
Oh, because Sunday.
Sunday, yeah. I'll look around, but we can probably see what's going on out there. But yeah, welcome to the shop, man. This is
take a look, man. He's got
garage, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're gonna take a look at some of his projects right now. You know, him and his boys, they share a garage, which is really cool.
Hell yeah.
That they do that. But he's got S13,
Yep.
S14.
Yeah, we got a couple S chassis.
I'll show you guys that really quick. I'll let him. I'll let you show us.
So yeah, this is my coupe. I just picked this up maybe like a month ago. I went to New Jersey. I picked up for like $200. But the thing is, it came with a cut front end. In my YouTube a few videos ago, I have a video of me welding my my front end back on.
I'll insert that for you guys to see that, because that's a really cool video.
Oh yeah. So I cut off my hatch, which was my drift car for this year. I honestly don't know why I decided to I just decided, you know, I don't really feel like a hatch is for me. It was a cool car, it was fun, and it was honestly a great car, but I don't know, coupes are just like my dream chassis. So I decided, since this had a front end, that didn't, I cut it off. Did some measurements, threw it on the front. But yeah, that's what it is looking like.
I'm not that brave.
Yep. But and this is my boy's S14. My boy Dom, he's like my right-hand man. So he's been stripping, this is his shell. He stripped down my parts car I gave to him, and he's gonna be throwing it all in here after he builds some stuff up. But he's been doing some serious progress. He painted the full interior. If you want to come around this side.
Yeah, I'm coming around.
Yeah, no problem. And he just painted the interior. He's still gotta clear it, but everything's all.
Yeah, but it's coming along though.
Yeah, hell yeah, definitely. But yeah, he did a lot of body work with it, interior wise. Fixed up some rust spots. Yeah. But yeah, other than that, my girl's hatch is at my house right now. I need to bring some wheels back and throw the wheels on and then bring it to the shop. But yeah, this is what's going on in my place today.
So remember how I told you guys in New England we got a car season. Like for you guys in Florida and maybe California, you guys don't know what a car season is. Car season all the time.
For real.
You know, but for us, our car season runs through, I would say maybe like April-ish to about early November.
Yeah.
Around there, right? And then so in that in that time when we're not car season, we're in the garages and we're building.
Yep.
So this follows, like what I told you guys, in the non-car season time frame, we get in our garages, we bundle up, it gets cold, and we start working on cars. And that's exactly what Mason's doing.
That's what we're doing out here. We all got to do it.
Yeah.
Honestly, respect to you guys in Florida and the hot states, you know what I mean? Because you're drifting all year round. If something breaks, you have to, before the next event all year. But, hey, I mean, we get some serious work done out in New England because, we have the time, and a lot of times we pick up bigger projects than we can handle, but we still get it done before it starts drifting.
The one thing, it's like I would like to be able to drive like my car like all year round, but the one thing I like about New England is that like when I'm down, everybody's down.
Yeah. So you don't have to worry about nothing.
So we're all down at same time, unless you break down in the middle of car season, which we try not to do. That's why we're in here, like buildings, make sure everything's good to go, so that when we're ready to go, we can just keep going into the end of that car season. And then if we had a plan to like swap something or do something else, then we do it in the off season.
Hell yeah.
So, but all right, well, we're about to get started here. And just do some things and whatever, man. We're gonna do something.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Get some stuff done.
That's right.
Yeah. Like welding, like I was saying, is super important, especially for drifting, because if you bang something up, or for example, my buddy Jordan from down the street, actually, he was in New Jersey driving BMI, which is one of the invitational drift events, and
so you got to get like an invite sent to you to come out here.
Yep,
cool.
And my boys from Street Heat, they all. You remember that hatch at Thompson that I was showing you, the gray one?
Yeah.
That's one of my friends from Street Heat.
Yeah, that was a nice one too, because that one was all like tubbed and like the front of it was like
tubed and stuff.
Yeah.
It's a super sweet car, man. But yeah, he at DMI he cracked his subframe. It literally just the whole thing cracked because he bottomed out and split it up. But he was able to salvage it by welding it together. So when you're drifting, man, having a welder and being able to weld is super, super important.
Yeah.
So anytime you get a chance to check out some people weld and maybe learn, it's a good opportunity.
And what do you use for what's your setup?
This setup
for us that don't know.
Yeah, no problem. This is a Miller 140. It's probably like top of the line when it comes to brands. Miller, Lincoln, those are like the best ones.
That's a MIG or a TIG?
MIG. This is MIG.
Okay.
Yep. I'm welding stainless steel, so MIG welding.
Okay. All right. Can you explain to us what the difference between the MIG and the TIG is? Because I don't know.
Yeah. So a couple differences. MIG welding, you have a handle. This is what we call it is just a handle. It feeds out wire for you as it like applies electrical contact.
Yeah.
So that's what MIG is for. It's for stainless steel applications. Anything with steel. Cast iron's kind of weird, but really for steel. And TIG is for like mostly aluminum. It has like a stylus, and you have a rod, like a metal
you hold it in your
dab
hand?
it in.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So that's the differences. MIG's just it's like a messier, but it's definitely more rigid than TIG. So it gets the job done, not as pretty, but definitely is more structural. But it's all about applications. So depending on what you're doing. So if you're doing like intercooler piping, you're gonna want to use a TIG welder because it's aluminum. So other than that, stuff like this, like frame rails, you're gonna want to use MIG because it's so much more structural, But yeah, this is a Miller 140. This is, like I said, it's like top of the line. It's really one of the best welders out there. It's good for like little shop use. Once you get into like industrial stuff, it's pretty much useless.
So like buying like your first setup for like the Miller 140, like what would be like the average price? You're looking at.
So that's the thing. A lot of people, if you're getting into welding, it's probably not the best idea to go out and buy this because you don't know if you're gonna be welding a lot. This is a really expensive welder, so it's about brand new is like $1,000.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a little pricey, but if you're gonna weld and you're gonna weld a lot, you go buy it because I actually got this used. Like it was used once, and the guy sold it for me for $250.
Wow. So you probably see if we can like find something used to that probably wouldn't.
Yeah, go on Facebook Marketplace or something. Yeah, definitely. Because my buddy here has this is a Chicago Electric, which is Harbor Freight. He has just a basic welder like that, and it's a good welder for getting shit done.
You have to see that with the lighting, but I can fix that later.
Yeah, exactly. But it's not like the best welder, but it gets the stuff done. But if you're gonna do big stuff and you want to have good solid welds, then definitely upgrade to this because this also has an application for gas. A lot of guys use solid wire, which is like copper, just like that. They use solid wire, but you have to use. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, see how it's like copper?
That
you have to use gas with that application.
Okay.
Because it protects the weld. With those welders, you just use flux core, which is gasless weld. It's so much more messy. So
okay.
if you want prettier welds, like I grinded these down a little bit, but if you want like prettier welds like this, and you want to make it actually like look really clean and stuff, then you should definitely get a solid wire welder with gas. But yeah.
Nice.
But yeah, we might as well get tacking and get some stuff in. But yeah, that's the setup.
This is why I say subscribe to Mason's channel.
I appreciate it, man. They call me Blue Collar Mason out here. But yeah, some welding tips. You're gonna want to ground it out. You have to. You can't put electricity in something without a ground. Yeah. So first things first is to.
So let's say if you did not ground it, what bad thing would happen?
Nothing bad will happen.
Okay, it just won't work?
Nothing will happen at all. Exactly,
okay.
Yeah. So you literally won't get anything out. Like it will be nothing coming out. You'll be having a wire feed, so wire will be coming out, but you won't getting any.
It'll just be wasting gas too,
exactly,
right?
Yeah. Exactly. Okay. Yeah. So you want to find a good ground. It's kind of tough sometimes to find a good ground, but honestly, I'm just gonna do it right to there because it's already sanded down. It's nice and straight metal, you know. Then you just flip on your welder. And like I said, right now we're out of gas, so we're just gonna be tacking on for now. But a little quick tip for some beginner welders. This is an important tool. This is a MIG plier, so it has a bunch of little settings for MIG tools and stuff. Okay. This is the nozzle, what they call that. A lot of times it builds up a lot of like metal and stuff, so you want to go in there and just clean it out, just so you get a nice contact and you get proper gas distribution. Go ahead, throw that in. Put your nozzle back on. And yeah, then you want to line it up and start tacking. This is the hard part because I don't really know exactly where I want it. I think that's a good spot. Yep. So yeah, we just got the tubs in. I just lined it up and threw down some tack welds. It looks like crap because there's no gas in my tank, like I said. So it's just held in by some pretty crappy tacks. Other than that, once I get some gas, I'll be able to go around and strip it all. Now I'm gonna just work on this side. I gotta actually cut out some more of this tub, and then I can throw it into the tower over here. But I already have it marked up. All I gotta do is just take my angle grind to it and cut it up.
Go ahead.
It's actually pretty symmetrical. Looking down at it like that, it looks pretty good. Other than that, I think I just need to do a couple more things to clean it up. I'm gonna just go by on the sides and put some flat pieces of steel to clean up the edges, then do the bottom right there, and then connect it to the frame. And then it'll be a fully closed off bay. But as of right now, it looks so good having tubs in.
Tell you what, you know what you're doing. I can say that much.
Oh yeah. I appreciate it, man. I kind of don't, but.
All right, guys. So we're wrapping it up for today. You know, hung out here, got a little bit of a lesson on how to do some welding.
Yeah.
So now I gotta get my welding gear together.
Yeah, definitely.
You know,
man.
so I could try some. I don't have anything to weld at the moment though.
Yeah.
But I could practice on just buy some metal or something.
Yeah,
you know, and
just some scrap metal.
And just practice. I don't want to practice on my actual vehicle. But hey, if you guys haven't gotten a chance, make sure that you go over to Mason's channel. You know, unsubscribe, help him out, because me and Mason are gonna be doing a lot of hanging out now.
Hell yeah.
And you know, if I need help, he's gonna help me out. If he needs help, I'm gonna help him out.
Definitely.
So check the channel. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Coop Boy. So it's Coop, and then all in one word is boy, but the O is a 0 for boy. So it's kind of complicated, but I'll send a link to you.
Yeah,
so that you
yeah. I'll put the link in there so you guys can see it.
That's my Instagram. So thank you, Mike, for coming out and checking out everything. He helped me move around the hatch and put my coupe over so that my girl's hatch can go right.
I didn't really do much.
Yeah,
I just pushed a little bit.
He still helped me out. He helped me out a lot, and I appreciate it for him coming by and checking out what I got going on. So huge shout out to you, man. So future videos will be, I'll be in his videos and he'll be in my videos. So it'll be cool collabs, and hopefully next week I'll be able to come out and.
Yeah, hopefully you come out next week or whenever you get a chance, and we'll show you around. Maybe hopefully the weather's good. We could take a ride in the RX-7.
Hell yeah.
You know, and just hang out and show them the Barage. All right.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
So guys, until next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go to Mason's channel, hit that subscribe. You know, watch out for his content. He's got some really good stuff. And I'll see you next time. See you later.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post the same now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move